Hey guys, so I'm starting off with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer, and I'm kind of too cheap to get the full-size version, so I just have a sample and I use it sparingly by applying it only to my T-zone, and then I use my LA Girl Primer for the rest of my face. Next, I color correct around my nose and under my eyes, and I know it's kind of weird, but I also like to put concealer on over the color correct under my foundation. Do any of you guys do this as well? So I actually filmed this video at the end of summer last year, which was when Fenty Beauty dropped. That's why everything's a little outdated a little bit, but that's okay though. I am wearing the shade 300. I love this foundation so much. I also grabbed the highlighting stick in Bamboo, and I actually did not get the contour stick because, like I said, I was being cheap and I didn't want to buy like a whole bunch of things, but eventually one of these days I'm gonna also grab one to add to my set. I probably could have fast forwarded this blending process, but to me there's something just so satisfying about watching people blending their highlight and contour. I don't know, that's just me though. But look guys, look at how snatched my nose is. Yes, so snatched. Next up is this bronzer that I found from the Dollar Tree. It actually was just $1. I think the color is so gorgeous. It's like a purple with like little flecks of gold. And I'm just using my finger to apply it on my eyelid. I'm using it as a transition color. And now I'm going to use Fenty Beauty's Confetti highlighting stick. Oh, I love this color. I love this combination. It's so pretty to me. I love it, and I definitely will continue to do this look even though it's so extra. But that's me though. I love it. Guys, I swear this is my all-time favorite highlighter. I wear it every day basically. It's the LA Girl Strobe Light Strobing Powder in the shade 50 Watt. I love it not only because it's like $5 at the beauty supply store, but also because it's just bomb. Look at it. But today I'm using it to layer underneath my Fenty Beauty Confetti highlighting stick, and I'm just highlighting my whole face, trying to look like a little unicorn, and I'm basically done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!